everybody, we've got a really rare car here today. It's a 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 RS. What you're seeing on the screen right now is the way that this car was born. So Dover white car, cowl hood, spoilers, deluxe interior with the comfort weave bucket seats. This is the way it rolled off the showroom floor, and that's super exciting because, you know, it's really difficult to find a car that was built like this. It's investment grade, and it has the all numbers matching drivetrain on it, the engine, the transmission, the 12-bolt rear end with 373 posi gearing. Everything is correct on the car. We'll wait for this truck and let's see what she's got. And just like that, up to highway speeds, absolutely no problem. Yeah, the 302 definitely likes it higher in the RPM band. It's very, very happy there. Nice, smooth, consistent, clear across the board. It's a great car. Let's see how we can get her to go down the street. Straight as an arrow. I tell you, this car's really set up nice. It's really restored nicely. Check out all the details on our website, but basically, we inspected the car when we got it in the shop, and all we needed to do was repair the reverse lights and replace the speedometer gear or the cable. I can't remember exactly which one it is. So it was just very, very minor things that we had to do to it. And, you know, that's a rarity with the older cars. We usually got to tinker with something a little bit more here and there, but this one's really restored nicely and really set up nicely. So, yeah, it's a great car. Runs and drives fantastic. Nice, comfortable interior as well. If you want to come test drive it, by all means, you're more than welcome to come do so. Just contact our sales department first. Eric or Joey will be more than happy to go ahead and arrange that for you. But yeah, I absolutely love it, and I think the new owner of it is absolutely going to love it too. All the gauges are working, including the clock. It even has the additional factory gauges up there just the way it came. So check out all the pictures, details, and the full description on volocars.com.